Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a to a where a to the power 4 is equal to a minus 1 whole to the power 4. At the beginning of the video I request please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Or taking this a minus 1 to the power 4 to left side, we can write here a to the power 4 minus a minus 1 whole to the power 4 is equal to 0. Now we can write here a square whole square minus bracket a minus 1 whole square again bracket whole square is equal to 0. Now this is a perfect square, so we can apply this algebra rule. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So we can write here a square minus a minus 1 whole square bracket times a square plus a minus 1 whole square bracket is equal to 0. Or now again we know a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So we can write here a square minus 2 times a times 1, that means 2a, plus 1 square, that means 1, bracket a square plus a square minus 2 times a times 1, that means 2a, plus 1 square, that means 1, is equal to 0. Or now we remove this and this bracket, so we can write here a square minus a square plus twice a minus 1 times a square plus a square minus twice a plus 1 bracket is equal to 0. Or this a square cancel out this a square, so here we will get 2a minus 1 bracket a square plus a square, that means 2a square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now there are two cases, so we can write here 2a minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2a square minus 2a plus 1 is equal to 0. Now here we can apply quadratic formula. So there are two values, a1 and a2. So we can write here a1 comma a2 is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Here a is equal to 2, b is equal to negative 2 and c is equal to positive 1. So a1 comma a2 is equal to minus 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square minus 4 times 2 times 1 over 2 times 2. Or a1 comma a2 is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of minus 2 square, that means 4, minus 4 times 2 times 1, that means 8 over 2 times 2. Or a1 comma a2 is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 8, that means minus 4 over 2 times 2. Or a1 comma a2 is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of negative 4, we can write here square root of 4 times square root of negative 1 over 2 times 2, or a1 comma a2 is equal to 2 plus or minus square root of 4, that means 2 times square root of negative 1 is equal to I. Here I is an imaginary value, over 2 times 2, or a1 comma a2 is equal to, taking common 2, we can write here 2 times 1 plus or minus I over 2 times 2, and these 2 cancel out this 2. So finally the value of a1 and a2 is equal to 1 plus minus I over 2, and here we can write a1 is equal to 1 plus I over 2, and a2 is equal to 1 minus I over 2. And again here we can write here 2a, taking this negative 1 to right side, we can write here positive 1, or now divided both side by 2, we can write here 2a over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, this 2 cancel out this 2. So here the value of a, that means a3 is equal to half. So there are 3 values of this equation. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.